Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial on C++ programming language, and today we're gonna talk about operators, alright? And the different type of operator, as you see there: arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator, the increment and the decrement operators. These are the most used operators in the C++ programming language. And for the basic understanding of languaging, you just have to understand these four. Also, there is one more or two more operators like bitwise and conditional operator, which we might go into the advanced level, then we talk about that. But for operators, uh, just these four operators are vague enough for to go into the next few topics. Okay, so first thing, what are operators? All right. Operators are basically operators are used to modify or manipulate the data or the variables that we have learned about. For example, if we say I have a variable, okay, here int of a, okay, and b, there are two variables, and I say a is 9 and I say b is 78. Okay, I create another variable, that is c, and I want c to include the addition of a and b, right? So what I do is I have to use some operators, and in this case I have to use an arithmetic operator, right? What is that arithmetic operator? It is actually that you know that it's an additional operator. Sorry, it's an addition operator, which is a is a plus b. Okay, this is the addition sign, and this is actually an arithmetic operator. There are many arithmetic operators. All right, first of all we will talk about the arithmetic operators, and in this tutorial we're just going to talk about arithmetic operators. In the next tutorial we're going to talk about logic, and then so on. In just next few tutorials we're going to complete that tutorial on the operators, and we're going to understand what operators are. So talking about arithmetic operators, there are also so many of arithmetic operators. Okay, first one is the addition, okay, that you know already. Another is subtraction, that you know too. Then it's multiplication. Now multiplication is this asterisk sign which is above the numpad 8, okay, and then there is a division, which is forward slash, and then there is modulus, or the remainder, or the which is as a percentage sign. So these are the basic arithmetic operators which are used. Okay, so we're going to talk about them, and let's just quickly make a program and just understand this arithmetic operators. So what I do is I create um, two variables, and what I do is let me just go over this and create a good looking program. Enter the two num. Okay. What I do is C in A and C in the B over here. Okay. All right. Okay, there's a mistake. And then what I do is I first of all apply the addition sign, addition operator actually. It's very difficult to type today, I don't know why, because I'm not sitting on a table. A plus B. Alright, this is simple enough. this is the addition operator which we are using, and it is as a plus b. Okay, this will give the result as a plus b. So let's just quickly build and run this. Quickly build and run this, and you can see this, there is an error because we have made we forgot this. Okay, typing error, definitely. It says enter the two numbers, and I enter 3 and then I enter 7. It says addition operator gives you 10. There is another way of doing addition operator, which is creating another variable and then putting that a plus b into this c and then displaying c. Okay, and both of them will work exactly the same. It's just that you are creating another variable and storing that manipulated data into that next variable. Okay, so that is about addition operator. Let's just quickly move on to the subtraction. Okay, subtraction operator. Okay, and we just need to change over here. You can see that it's very easy, and there we go. And it says enter the two numbers 67 and another number is 34, and says subtraction operator gives this. Okay, you can enter the smaller number first and the bigger number last, but it will give you the result definitely into the negative number. So you can see this subtraction operator minus 53. So that's it, and there you can see this. Another is multiplication. Okay, there is a spelling mistake over here, and what we have to do is just use this asterisk sign for multiplication. And the first number that I'm gonna enter is 4, then another number is 7, and the answer should be 28. And you can see this, it's very basic things. This is just a basic mathematical operator which we are using. Similarly, the division that can be used over here, division operator. Let's just quickly run this, and the first number is 21, the next number is 7, and the division operator gives you 3. If I enter something which is not perfectly divisible, like 45 and another number is 6, then it will give you the integer value. It won't give you the remainder, it's just giving you the quotient of that. Okay, if you want the remainder, then you have to use this modulus sign which I told you about, and this will give you the remainder. Okay, it's called modulus operator, it's not a remainder operator. I'm sorry about that, but if you can see this 45 is the remainder has to be 3, so if I enter, you can see this remainder is 3. So that's all about these arithmetic operators. As you know, we have already added two numbers and given the result, and now you can add or subtract or do whatever you want to do between two numbers, three numbers, four numbers. You can add them and you can create your own little calculator. So that's all about these arithmetic operators. In the next tutorial we're going to talk about logical operator. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.